Hello, what's up guys? It's Crypto Everything here again with another new airdrop video. If you are new to this channel and you like airdrops, well, I promise you to give you quality airdrop content. Okay, so while watching this video, why not like and subscribe so that you can get more possible airdrop videos in the future, and make sure you turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified anytime I make a new video. Okay, with that said, so if you have been following my channel, then you should know that for airdrops you need either your MetaMask or the wallet that is required for the airdrop that you're going to be partaking in. Okay, so we're going to be doing a testnet. It's called the Umee. I don't know whether I'm pronouncing it right, Umee or Umee. Okay, so we're going to be doing it today, and we're going to be needing two wallets. Okay, we're going to be needing the MetaMask and the keplr. Okay, so if you want to install, because you're going to be using both of them to connect here on the Umee platform, we're going to be testing out the platform, and then we're going to be getting a possible airdrop in the future. Okay, so to get the keplr, all you just have to do is go on to Google, search for the keplr extension. So keplr, so this is this is it right here, the keplr, and then you just create your account and set up your account like you would with MetaMask. Okay, as you can see, it's very simple. Right here I have nothing, and this is the keplr. Okay, so then you have the MetaMask too. Okay, so for those of you that have not installed your MetaMask, make sure you do install your MetaMask, because you're going to need it for this tutorial. Okay, and if you don't have desktop and you want to use this extension on Android instead, there's a thing that you can do. You can use either you use Yandex browser or you use Kiwi browser. With those browsers, you can install extensions on the browsers and use them as though you were using a desktop. Okay, so this is my my Trust wallet. Now the next thing we're going to need to do is we are going to switch our network on our MetaMask to Golia. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is Golia Test Network. Okay, this is the Golia Test Network. How do you get here? If you want to get here, because most of the time on newly created accounts it doesn't show, all you just have to do is click on this hide and show test networks. Okay, sorry to cut in, but if you're a Nigerian and you are watching this video and you have any kind of crypto coin to sell, I will buy any coin from you at good rates. My contact is in the description below. Please reach me and we can make deals. Then it will take you to a place where you can show networks. Okay, so is that you turn it off or you turn it on. So Golia is one of the inbuilt test networks that follows your account whenever you create it. So it's up to you to show or hide them. So I'm choosing to show it. As you can see right here, Golia, I've chosen Golia. So the next thing we want to do is we want to send some Ethereum to our Golia account. Okay, so for me, I have sent some. I already have 2.4 Ethereum. Remember, these are test tokens, test network tokens. They don't actually mean much. They don't mean anything. Okay, so the first thing we need to do now is get some Ethereum here, because we are going to be using it as gas fees now. So we need to go to the faucet, the Ethereum faucet, where we need to get the Ethereum that we need for the Golia. So you need to click on this link. All these links, I'm going to leave them in the description below. Make sure you check out the description you see for them. So now, for you to be able to get this free Ethereum on your Golia from this Golia faucet, first of all, you have to come over here. If you're using Facebook or Twitter, as you can see, to request your funds via Twitter, make a tweet. So I just click on this Twitter icon right here. It's going to open up Twitter for me. Okay, so automatically it's going to make a tweet on my Twitter account. Okay, so the next thing I want to do now is right here. As you can see, this is the tweet. It's just for me to click on tweet. Now I'm going to come over here, remove this address, and put in my Trust wallet Ethereum Golia address. Okay, so I'm going to go to my Trust wallet now and copy my Trust wallet address on the Golia network. Okay, but note that all the addresses are the same for each account you create, or whichever test network you're using on Trust on MetaMask. Sorry, just have to click on copy right here and go back to your tweet and just copy and remove that and paste in your address right here, and then click on tweet. Okay, so once you have tweeted, now you come over. Okay, whoops, you already said that. Okay, I already did this request already, so let me just show you what to do next. So I'm going to go to my tweets to show you the ones that I have tweeted, how you're going to do it. just go to my tweet. Okay, so this is the tweet right here. Go, as you can see, faucet.goliath. I did it yesterday. Okay, so I just have to click on it, then copy the URL from your browser link. Just copy the URL, then go back to your this Goliath faucet and paste it right here. Okay, then you click on give me ether, and maybe just 2.5 ether per 3 days. Yeah. Okay, so we just have to do some verifications right here. Okay, as you can see, this is, I have already done it before, so they give me time. I can do it this between this period between the space of just 24 hours. So but if this is your first time of doing it, it's just going to show you okay, fund is being added to your account. As you can see, like this person just did, funded, so it's going to be funded to your account. Then you can now go back to your Trust wallet and then check, and you'll be able to see your Ethereum. Okay, so now that we've gotten Ethereum in our goal in our MetaMask, okay, now the next thing we need to do is go to the Umee app.umee.cc. This is the place that we're going to be using it on. Okay, and then click on connect wallet. Okay, so when you click on connect wallet, you're going to connect two wallets, the Trust wallet and the keplr wallet. That is why we needed both wallets. Okay, they're going to be connected together here. So you can see both of them. So you can see, let's see the connected accounts, connected wallets. You can see Trust wallet, MetaMask has been connected. So it's just for us to connect the keplr. Just click on connect. It's going to pop up. So as you can see, all wallets have been connected. As you, these two wallets are on keplr, while this is my MetaMask. So literally we're just using two wallets. Okay, so you can see they are both connected. Now we have gotten Ethereum on Trust MetaMask for our transaction fee. We also need Atom and Cosmo in these wallets too. So when you click on when you go onto your keplr extension, open the keplr extension. Okay, I'm going to show you how you need two wallet addresses for you to be able to get this free testnet Atom and Cosmo. Okay, because we need free testnet tokens to be able to perform these duties that we need to do here. Okay, now when you go down, when you click on this Cosmos up, you go down, you can see two extra two networks have been added here. You can see the Atom and the Umee, and we need tokens on these, which are these two wallets here. Okay, so we need Atom, and these addresses, they are all different for the two of them. So we need Cosmo. For us to receive the free Cosmo faucet testnet tokens, we need to copy it. Now then go to the Discord, because it is in the Discord group that you can be able to get these free faucet tokens. Okay, so all we just had to do was to copy our addresses here, go to the Discord group, and then collect the free tokens. Okay, so we go to the Discord group. So I'm going to leave all of the links in the description below. Okay, so this is the group. So after you have verified yourself on the group chat, so the next thing you need to do is come over to the left here. Okay, and then search for the Atom faucet. Or just scroll through, you might see it. As you can see, there are two faucets over here. You can see this one right here, the Umee faucet, and then the Atom faucet. So the one we copied just now is the Atom faucet. So we're going to click on the Atom faucet, and now it's going to open. As you can see, what people are doing here, they are putting exclamation mark faucet space and then their wallet address, and that is what we are going to do. But I've done this, I don't know if it's going to work, but let's just try it. Okay, so you just put an exclamation mark faucet, then space, then paste in your address, and just click on enter. Now as you can see, you have okay, let's see what it told me. I don't know which is mine right now. Okay, see, your request got processed, happy testing. So they have sent these tokens to my account. So let's check our keplr to see if actually we got any Cosmos tokens. As you can see right here, now we've gotten $15 worth of the Cosmos, 0.5 Atom. Okay, so the next one we want to do is we want to copy the other address and paste in the other side, the other part. So click on this Umee, okay, and then copy your Umee address, then come back to the Discord and go to the Umee faucet, okay, and do the same thing, exclamation mark faucet space and then your address, and click on enter. Okay, so your request got processed. Happy testing. So you can go back to our test our keplr to see if they actually gave us the tokens, which they definitely will. Okay, so you can see I've got 0.5 Umee. Okay, so now I've got Umee and I've got Atom over here. Okay, so now let's get to testing. We've gotten all of the tokens that we need. Okay, I think my account has been disconnected. I need to reconnect. Okay, so now our accounts, we have all the tokens in our accounts. We have Ethereum, we have Umee, and we have Atom. Okay, so the next thing we want to do now is click on this IBC. Okay, so click on this IBC. So you can see we have 0.5 Atom here. Let's just use 25% of it, and then just click on transfer. Okay, click on transfer, and then we just approve it. Click on approve, and then waiting for the transaction to be okay. So the next thing is we can come over to the bridge section and check if the tokens are available right here. It hasn't come yet, so it's still pending. So the next thing, we'll click on bridge. Okay, so as you can see, we transferred 0.12 Atom from our account down to this bridge. Okay, so we're going to bridge tokens here. You can just click on 50%, click on bridge, and click on transfer. So what we are doing here, we're just testing the service for a possible airdrop that's going to happen in the future. Okay, so just click on approve. So we're just going to test this stuff and the whole thing. So after we've done the bridge, all we need to do now, we are going to supply. Okay, we're going to supply liquidity. Then after supplying liquidity, we are going to borrow, and we're going to pay back, and we're going to do all that stuff. Okay, just by testing. That's just what we're going to be doing, testing. That's what it's called, a testnet, and they usually reward users for testing this product out. So we'll click on supply. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have 0.1 Atom from what we just bridged. We bridged some tokens, and now we have 0.1 Atom. So what we want to do is we want to supply. We can decide to supply maybe 50% of what we've bridged. Click on supply. Okay, then confirm it with your MetaMask. As you can see, this is why we needed Ethereum, because it's the Ethereum you're going to be using as gas feed here. Okay, click on confirm. So we have successfully supplied. So the next thing we want to do is we want to click on borrow. I want to borrow some Atom. Okay, so we could just borrow maybe 100%, and then we're going to pay back. So just click on borrow. Okay, so as you can see, we have just borrowed, and this is the amount of Atom we borrowed. Now we're going to repay back what we borrowed. So just come over here, click on repay. Okay, click on repay, and click on, we could repay maybe 75% of everything that we borrowed. Okay, just click on repay, or you can just repay 100%, doesn't matter. Okay, so waiting to repay. So that's pretty much everything. So we actually covered the whole thing. So we supplied, and we could actually withdraw our supply if you wanted to just test everything. Now we supplied, we can actually withdraw what we supplied, maybe 75% of what we supplied. You just click on withdraw. So that's just to test the whole system. Okay, and that's what I want you to do, play around with this whole thing, and that's pretty much it. So when it's time for airdrops come, okay, we are going to be part of those that are going to get airdrops, but we don't know when or the value of the airdrops. But that's why it's good to do all this test nets all together, because these are new things coming up. I mean, if the earlier you get into this, the better it is for you. I mean, okay, so like I'm gonna recap. So first of all, you need two wallets. You need your MetaMask, and then you need your Keplr. Go to your your Google Chrome web store extension, then download Keplr, set up your account, then come over to this website app.umee.cc. okay, then you connect your wallet. The three wallets will be automatically connected, and then you can come to your Keplr. Once it's disconnected, come to your Keplr, and then take select your atom address and your Umee address, and then come over to the Discord group over here and click on, you can see atom faucet and the Umee faucet. Then put in the stuff that I taught you, exclamation faucet, then your spacebar, then your address, and then you're going to be getting your Umee and your atom in your wallet. Then you can come over here and bridge them. If I come to the IBC section, and then you IBC, and then you bridge, then come over to supply, and then you borrow, then you pay back, and then you can come over to your supply and withdraw your supply. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. And if you actually enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and comment in the section below whatever you think you have a problem with, or anything that you want me to look into. Comment in the section below, comment section below. And it is crypto everything. Please subscribe and share to your friends. See you next time, guys. Bye.